family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is super exciting because I'm going to be doing my first ever set up a room video. Oh my god, this moment I've been waiting for. I'm going to be fully decorating a room. Now I'm not going to have all of the pieces.
Camera recording.
I'm sitting in front of the door. Now, I'm not going to have all of the pieces that I need for this room, but I have most of it, and I'm so excited to share it with you all.
I will help you. I will help you.
Can I help you?
Ghostbusters?
Nadia's on the phone with the Ghostbusters, but we're going to continue this video like she's not doing CIA job right now. As you all know, I just bought my house. I'm moving in. I finally got my stuff out of the storage. And now I don't have enough stuff to fill up the house because it is a big house. One of the rooms that are my favorite is going to be the family room. It is a space where we can just go and relax, sit there, watch TV, watch movies, and just chill, have game nights and all of that. But the thing with that room is it's a very, very big room. And it was difficult to try to find a chair or sofa or sectional to fit the space. So I was fortunate enough to be contacted by a wonderful company. So I'm happy to say that today's video is sponsored by VERA. I have been stalking this company for a while. I've seen a few like influencers have their stuff in their house and they just speak so greatly about them and the quality of the furniture. They contacted me and wanted to work with me or want to work with me. So our delivery is here from VERA and I am so excited. So this is the space I was talking about. This is a really big room. My furnitures are here. So let me walk around to this side so you can see. It is a pretty huge room. Those are all my boxes. There are at least 8 boxes and I have a few more things over there. But we're gonna be setting up the furniture over here. The sectional, it's gonna be a 7-seater. It's a 7-seater sectional. Let me show you all how big this room is. This is me. Y'all know I like to do this little twirly thing. This is my body in the room and it's huge. Like it goes all the way here. And then it wraps around all the way back to here where all the boxes are. So like I said, we're gonna be setting up the sectional today. As you can see, we already have a wall mount for the TV. This is one that actually comes out. I really like this one because you can flip it and turn it and do all of that. And then, whoa, push it back. And then over there, we have our TV and some just other stuff. But these are most of our boxes. I have one more left. I think it's the, what's it called? The table, the little footstool. I can't remember the name right now. But yes, we have one more left. I'm going to be bringing that down in a minute. But these are the 7 boxes. We're going to open it up one by one and we're going to set it up. So let's go grab this other one. Y'all, so we are going to go ahead and open these up one by one and set them up. So let's go. Pretty big sectional. Everything is out of the boxes, so we're just gonna go ahead and align it, set it up, and then put the legs on. I got a little confused as to how to set it up, so we just went ahead and opened up all of the boxes. These are most of it right here. That's Nadia playing. We have 2 more boxes. We're gonna open those, but this is what it looks like. I think the best thing to do is to just open it, set it up, and then add the leg. It's pretty easy to assemble, but it gets a little confusing if you don't know what you're doing. So I went onto YouTube. Here's the video that I found about the company. And this couple is setting up their sectional and they made it so much easier. And I was like, oh, I got it. So basically all they're doing is opening up all of the boxes, setting it up as it would look, hooking everything together. And then they're gonna go ahead and flip it over like that and then attach the legs. the design that I have right now. As you can see, it's a pretty big sectional. However, I don't know if I want this design. Maybe I should add another piece there because this is where the TV is gonna be. If there are too many seats over there, the people over there have to like twist. So I put the most seat here because you can see the TV from directly here. But I don't know, so I'm gonna go ahead and try adding another seat over there just to see what it looks like. All right, so that's the new design. Let's go ahead and put the legs on. The great thing about this is you can flip it and flap it however you want, but this I like right now, so let's go ahead and add the legs and see what it looks like. All right, family, so the sectional is up, as you can see. This is the design I chose. I ended up putting 2 on this side and 4 on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the cushions on. These are the cushions, they're all over the place. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick them up one by one and put them on. We have 2 legs that left over. But yeah, this one, she's a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cushions on. Velcro on here that hooks onto the cushions. Same things on the bottom. So when they're on, they don't just come off. So I'll show you an example here. When you put it on like this, push it on.
Yeah, what's the fun?
I wish you can feel it through the phone. Like the quality of this furniture is so good. Like it's amazing. So this is what our sectional looks like. I did go ahead and add this large rug from Ross. It matches perfectly. Perfect. All right, family, so this is what the room looks like right now. As you can see, it's pretty simple but pretty cozy down here. I have not done anything to this room at all. The room is pretty huge, and I'm not even going to show the other side. I'm just going to show you this little side right here. The rug, I got the rug from Ross. The table, I forget where I got the table from because I've had it for a while, but it's a nice little table. It has a tray underneath and this little basket looking thing on top. And then I have two side tables that I had from previous homes. I also have these two cute little lamps. They're not on right now, but they're really cute. Let me come close so you can see. They're super cute. So I have them down here. And then I just went ahead and threw some pillows, that pillow, that one, and then another one. That's actually a Christmas pillow, but it matches the couch so well. And then I put some plants up there. But this whole room is going to be decked out, y'all. I haven't done anything in here, but at least now we have seating and it looks pretty nice and cozy. Yeah, we can come down here, sit, watch TV and stuff like that. But the room, like I said, I'm thinking about painting the whole room because it is a pretty large room. And I think painting it a darker color will make it a little cozier since I want it to be a family room. I'm going to put curtains up there. We're going to build a whole built-in here with the TV and the fireplace. This is actually, what's it called? This is the ornament. It came late, so I was super tired to open it and set it up. So that's why it's there. But it takes literally minutes. It takes minutes to just open the box and set it up. And again, the same set over here is the same thing over there. And again, the table. Let me fix it. The table, the tray, the pillow here. Again, this is a Christmas pillow, but it's so cute. And then that throw blanket, and the couch is just so nice. The quality is everything. It's so strong, firm, and comfortable at the same time. And I'm super excited to, just deck the whole room out and show you guys the final result. But for today's video, this is what we have. And like I said, now we can come down here and sit. We have seating now. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the rest of the house so you all can see. But this is our first living room decor, and this is just one of the living rooms. All right, family, so this is what everything looks like right now. And look who's coming to interrupt. All right, family, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out the description box for all of the details on Madura. And also, if you have any questions at all, please leave it down below. I'll make sure to answer. Give the video a big thumbs up, share it, and make sure your bell notifications are turned on. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. Mwah.